Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change the language on Amazon. So first thing that you do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then visit the Amazon website. So you can either log in or sign up for an account or you just want to browse the Amazon products are here. And then after that, you have this flag icon at the top of your screen. So this is where the section where you can change your language. Okay, for example, we would like to change our language from English to Espanol. So you just have to select that specific language. Okay, and then after that, right here, all of the words that you can find here are now translated to Spanish or Espanol. So if you want to change that again, just go back here, say which region that it came from. Then you just have to go here and then change your language. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.